Today I will show you how to go from this messy code to this cleaner one. This is Godot quick tip number 1. Do you want to lint and format your code like a pro? Watch closely. I will show how to install everything on Linux. Link to a Windows installer in the description. Firstly, you have to update your registry, then install Python 3 and Python 3 pip. Now let's get straight to the meat and install GD Toolkit. Link to this tool is also in the description. Now let's see if everything is installed correctly. Let's check where are binaries to format and lint. Yep, everything looks fine. Let's try to use GD lint. Firstly, the easiest way to use it, it will work only in a specified file. Now let's try doing this with asterisk. This way we will lint all files in helper directory. And finally, let's try using find command. This way we will lint all files in the root directory. You can use the same find command with GD format tool. This is really badly formatted code. Now let's call format command, and as you can see, it's clean as never. Just kidding. This is the code after formatting and it's far better. It's cleaner, it's easier to read, it's better. To adapt GD Toolkit to yourself, you can tweak its configuration. Here's an example. You can call gdlint-help to show help, and as you can read here, you have to call gdlint-d to dump default configuration. We'll change this value to 120. Let's see how it will work before and after that change. There is this long line about which gdlint shows an error. Now let's change it to 120. And as you can see, the error is gone. Let's jump to GD format. There's only one thing that you can tweak, and it's line length. Be careful and do not add this equal sign there because it will not work. Tired of commands? Great, everybody is. So let's make a makefile. Firstly, I have to create a file called makefile and write exactly what I am showing on the screen. And that's all. From now on, you don't have to remember those commands anymore. Let's use those new commands. Let's try to make fund and make lint. It's working, great. The last thing I wanted to show you is Git hooks. If you're not using Git, well, then you should consider doing it. Let's create a pre-commit file and write some magical code inside. Now, let's move this file to the .git/hooks directory. But not like that, okay? You can do better. Let's modify our makefile so we can call a command to do that for us in the future. Now let's test it. Firstly, update our pre-commit hook by calling make update hooks. Finally, let's test how this pre-commit works. Git add, git status to see if there's anything to commit, and commit with some cool message. Pre-commit worked, it showed an error, let's fix that. This is a simple linting error, so adding underscore will do the job. Save file, try again. And it worked again. However, this time there was no error. With this you can be sure that you will always have working code in your repository. And this is what I call formatting like a pro. I hope you have learned something today. If there's anything else you would like to see, leave a comment below. Cheers!